Okay, welcome back, and welcome back. Oh, I'm exhausted. Home neighborhood, road to 3,000 subs. Here we are. We literally just got done. Maybe. Magnet pinched me. I didn't use any curse words. Yay. We just got done literally about 20 minutes ago with the day run. And went inside, got the video starting to upload, and it hurt. And then whatever we're doing, we ate a little food, and now we're back out working on our way. So let's go. Here we are. Look at this. Good way to start the day. Get some chairs. Take this one too. There's one more back there. Get these things rolling. Makes for kind of crazy start to it, but we like crazy starts, don't we? Better than being boring. Better than not having anything, right? Right. Here we can put all 3 chairs. Nope, that ain't gonna happen. Gosh, look at that. Pinched myself. Thank you, boss. I pinched myself pretty good with that magnet. It slapped me. Goodness. I don't know what's the best way to do this. I think it's gonna be to lay him down for right now. Lay him down, Bobby Brown. We'll be back. Oh, it's the day of the chair. That is always fun. This is kind of, come on. Get in there. There it goes. The back's kind of ate up, or I'd try to sell that thing. All right, well, there we go. Let's keep going. Oh, I don't think, oh, what are you doing, lizard? You scared me. I thought you were a vicious tarantula or something. I don't think this is one. Yep. See, this kind of top, this is not the top. I could see him now. I can see him with my mind's eye. Bird fly. Bird fly? What does that mean? Dude, this trailer is a mess. It's a mess. We gotta get some more stuff in there. We'll probably do a recalibration. Team left, 1, 2, 3, team left. She's a big nasty though. All right, look at us go. This little bad number here. Trailer's still a disaster. I'm sure at some point we'll make sense of it. At some point. All the straps are here from earlier. Here, you go right down in there. All right, I have a feeling there's a pool pump in there. What do you guys think? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I have a knife in there too. Oh yeah, Jandy. God. All right. This thing may get poke slammed at the yard until the thing comes off tomorrow. Boom, we like that. Point, we're gonna have to get organized. at some point. Is that point right now? I don't know. I don't think so. Team lift! Oh no, there's the little things in there. Yeah, keep that nice and tight. Boom! Yeah, maybe pretty soon. Maybe pretty soon they'll slide up, the chairs slide around. There's a whole gimmick starts happening. Ooh, my legs are tired. Right by this. What kind of game are we playing here? Oh, we need all the metal we can get. There ain't no time to just be driving by stuff. Boom and shebang. Walla walla bing bang. Fling flang. Man, that thing pinched my hand good. All right, let's go. Hey, look at that. Everything's still in it. Smells so good. I'm just gonna tell ya. Smells so good. Hey, look at what we did there. Yow! Yabba dabba doo. Ow. That beeth my toeing. Oh. Alright, I was gonna do it that way. Ow! Man! Is this gonna be the injury episode? Where I just hurt myself the whole episode? I hope not, because that's not very fun. Alright, I'm gonna try to make a little bit more sense out of this. Get some rabbit pellets. And then we will be back in a few. I was walking down the road, was like, hey, you get my microwave yet? I thought about it. At first I wanted to say, oh yeah, then I thought about it. I'm like, no, actually, I don't think I did. So, here's this microwave. Team left. I don't know if we've done this yet tonight, but so many noises. So many noises from this guy. All right. We just keep morphing stuff. Staying on this front stack. Whew. Starting to get my second wind a little bit. Let's not get too carried away. All right. So we're gonna try to get as many of these pipes out of here without making too big of a mess. I'll bring you right back, show you the results. That's all of them right there. Bada bing, bada boom, bada boom, bada bing. And we got this big old grill. Oh, she's a lady. She's a lady and a fighty. We're not even gonna take down the thing. We're just gonna team lift. Big team lift. Just chosh it in there. We are just about done with this neighborhood. This is our last little road, last little loop. It has been an okay neighborhood. We are definitely not gonna complain about it. That is a faux show. Because these grills, if you don't put them right in the middle, they wiggle waggle all over the place. Throw a strap on it. On to the next one. Okay, we definitely have to be on our tip-top tippity toes. This is the spot last week where we saw the bear. Like, this is the exact spot right where I'm standing right now. So, eyes on a swivel, heads on a swivel. We are, without a doubt, trying to stay tuned in. As much as I joke around, I want no part of a bear. Nunzos. How much? Nunzos. Because that was a big old bear that I saw last week. There's a refrigerator right over here too. So, trying to stack all this so we can get that fridge in. But the bear came from that way. There's a whole bunch of woods right over there. I want no part. If I didn't already state that clear enough. My dad always used to tell me, if you're scared, just say you're scared. And I am scared. I ain't never fought a bear before. I ain't never wrestled one. All right, look at us go. I don't even know what to say about this today. Seems like we got a lot of chairs. Team lift, by the way. Let's get one in there. Big old team lift. We love it when you say team lift. Oh, look at this. Where are we gonna put this? All right. No bear attacks so far. We're good. Yeah, and we have to stay vigilant. Oh, look at this thing. Very clean. Very clean. A little stanky, but very clean. All right, cool. Cool, dude. Another refrigerator. Let's go. Push you by the wheel, push you by the wheel, push you by the wheels. Up you go. I was putting it up the wrong way. Much rather it go this way. With a little twist and a little turn. All right. Look at that. That worked out perfect with those chairs. And I got another strap in there. Boom. We are jamming it. Click, fell right in. Grab our last strap and strap her down, Bobby Brown. No bears. I'm telling you, for an area that is very well known for bears. Like everybody in my area, everybody knows that there's bears in this area. These people don't care. Mad people walking this time of night, little dogs, all that stuff. Just don't care. I respect it. I respect it. Not gonna be me. Well, I guess I'm out here scrapping, so. I'll throw this water heater at a bear. I'll just chuck it right at him. And run. No heroes. No heroes around here. Let me be very clear about that. That thing's cute. That right there may actually be resellable. I have no idea how to fold it up. Oh, 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 oh. Look at that. How do you close? Like this? Do you fold down somehow? No? Okay. Hey, don't force it. Don't force it, they say. That thing was pretty cute. Okay, let's figure out how we're gonna fit some of this stuff on there. We have these chairs, which will need a spot. We have that mower, which is gonna need a spot. We have that table, which is gonna need a spot. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Let's do this. Let's pull this down. And we're gonna go like this. First off, these chairs. Team left, team aim left. Yep. Just chill up there. Relaxation nation. All right. Gonna have to take this here. This one may actually go to our lawnmower guy. The wheels are making some kind of funky noise, but that's okay. That's okay. Are you right on top of our microwave? Holy moly. This is cray cray. It's a good load we got going on here tonight. A lot of chairs. Hoping to finish this thing in a decent hour. We were out running hard today. Well, we're gonna try to team lift this thing on 3. We're gonna go a couple different ways here. We're gonna go first shelf right here. Oh. Catastrophe. Catastrophe. Ow, that thing just popped me in the jaw. We're all right. We're still here. Oh boy. Yep. We gotta go down deep on this one. Put it on the shoulder. Over the head. What are the scrappers picking up lawnmowers over their heads? I'm sure there's some. Goodness, they're crazy if they do. Let me tell you, from somebody who's out here doing it, that was crazy. Woo. Smashed myself right in the ear. I don't need that thing anyway. They're too big anyway. That's right, I said it. I said it. I got big ears. It's okay. It is okay. I love them. Here we go, up and over. Don't fall. Oh, it caught it. Good. Good. All right. We're gonna wrestle with this a little bit and we will be back. Just want to show you, we got this production department once again not doing their job. Lights out, lights off. I'm gonna try to figure out where to put this on there and then I'll bring you back in. This is crazy. Hanging over a little bit. As soon as I thought I just had some decent light. I know it's dark. But I think this is it. It's getting ridiculous. There's not a whole lot of places left to strap this thing down. So I think we're gonna call it a night. Okay, good morning and good morning and good morning. Let's bring this mess into the yard. Holy chairs, huh? A lot of chairs. There's some heavy stuff on there though. I think this strap needs to be retired soon. Yeah. Good morning, happy Thursday. It's a big Thursday. Could be one and done. We got some pickups to do. I need to be done by like, I don't know, at least 12:30, 1 o'clock. I'm actually going to a hockey game tonight. So, we got to get this all wrapped up today. So, let's go. See you at the yard. Hey everybody, welcome back. We should have enough. If it beeps off, sorry. Hey look, it's our door from yesterday. I always love seeing our stuff back out here. We are back up on the wall. Let's get you all situated here. Woo! All right, well, we made it. We made it through it. Now let's go see Mr. Jeffy. Put my camera on and I smashed myself right in the bridge of the nose. Happy Friday. No, this is my Friday.
Friday Eve.
No, for you it's Friday Eve.
Yes, it is.
For me, this is my Friday.
Yeah, but you'll be here tomorrow. I know you. You're just a glutton for punishment.
I love it here. It's something in the water.
You don't want to drink the water here.
It's your beautiful face.
The water smells like sulfur.
That's right. That's Florida for you.
It's the aqueduct here. You filled up my bin.
I know.
Empty just for you.
I know. I know. Hold on, I got more dirty. Not much more, but. No. I do not deal with nonsense like that.
I don't deal with nonsense like that. That's clean, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. With everybody saying, Yeah. You know watching wrestling?
No, I don't watch it.
Come on, man.
I'm not into the male soap opera.
Come on, dude.
Come on.
You ready for this, Bad Nasty?
Yeah.
Yeah, please get those Christmas lights out of my life.
You love them.
I do. You know me so well. Oh, I feel like I almost got 2 pounds of dirty brass here. You ready?
Yep.
Back here?
Sure. Woo! Called it.
2 pounds.
A twofer.
I'm like a human weight machine. What do you call it? Human scale.
Are you coming back today?
I don't know. I'm going to a hockey game tonight.
Oh, what?
Going to the Solar Bears.
Oh, it's over there?
Yeah, my next door neighbor, he bought a ticket for like 75 bucks. It was free parking, free drinks, free food.
Yeah.
And when he got the ticket in, he had 3 of them.
Oh,
So he's like, hey, you want to go? Free.
enjoy some beer tonight.
I'm like, yeah, I guess I think I will go.
Enjoy some beer.
I don't know if I'm gonna, but I'm definitely gonna put down some Sprites.
Bring this.
Yeah, I am.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's good content. Say
All right,
bye
buddy.
to everybody.
Bye-bye.
I love your
I know. I love you.
Ah.
Okay, Thursday is our day to come out and try to see what we can get in our other neighborhood that we didn't hit last night. I just was at a pickup. The homeowner was outside with me though, so we didn't bring you along on that one. But we are back and we got some water heaters. We like that. Yes, we do. Like I said, today is gonna kind of be, we got a fridge to pick up here in a little bit as well. It's gonna be one of those days where we see how much we can get done. We have to, we are on an early wrap up today. Ooh, she hit me like that. Early. Like I told Jeffy, we're going to a hockey game tonight and the game starts at 5. So we're probably leaving around 3:30, which means I have to have the video done by then. Which means I probably gotta be done with work by at least 1. So we'll see what we can get. And since we're not going out tonight, if we don't get to the yard today, that's okay. We'll just do it tomorrow. All right, I'm gonna strap this down. We'll see you in a little bit. I real deal thought this was plastic, but it is not. It is metal. All right. Break this thing down real quick. Get it all stuffed up in there. Let's see. Down she goes. Ooh, it is getting hot. We are gonna have to switch over soon. Switch out of this sweatshirt. That is faux show. Alright, I got all excited for a minute, thinking that these were all metal, but they're all wood. Oh. So, we'll take what we can get. A little bit of metal, better than no metal at all. And off we go. What's hiding in here? Oh. More metal. Okay. I think this is pretty much it. The garbage men hit that other area, and now we're just on the back area. Ew, yucky. So we're gonna go home real quick, drop off this lawnmower, maybe straighten this out, and we got a refrigerator and some gutters to pick up. That's fun. We're back out on it. I have a little time before I have to go make that pickup, like about 30 minutes or so, so figure might as well run around a little bit and see what we can find. Golf clubs, these things are hammered. Hammered, slammered. The golden one. Oh boy. All right, we'll just put this in here for now until we find another spot for it. Off we go. There's bears out here. Rawr. Hey now. There we go. I think we're just gonna load this up and be ready for tomorrow morning. Hey, welcome back. Here's all the aluminum that we had just gotten. A fridge that we just picked up. I'm not exactly sure. I do have to go to my mom's tomorrow, so we may load up some stuff from over here real quick, just so it's on the truck. So this afternoon has been a complete bust. I mean, a complete bust. As far as I've just been a lazy ass. That's all. I've just been lazy, so haven't gotten a whole lot done since about noontime. It is now like 2:30. I'm probably gonna regret that, but is what it is. So all right, I am going to figure out what I'm gonna do here. I'll take out some straps, and we'll be back in a few. What a mess. All right, we're back. That's gonna be tomorrow's run. Yeah, looks big, but I don't know. It could get us close to the hundo. So that's gonna be that. Make sure this thing, yeah, it's not going anywhere. All right, well, That's it. That's a whole Thursday night run. Bonus action. Dun dun dun. Let's get out of here. Hit him with the quote of the day. Okay, that's it. We're wrapping it up. It is that time. I'm sweating. It is that time. It is quote of the day, quote of the day, quote of the day. Even though you're growing up, you should never stop having fun. That's it. That's it. We should have fun in everything we do. Now, I do have fun scrapping and stuff like that. It's just sometimes I don't have fun in the rest of life, you know? I get so caught up in work and scrapping. So that's what tonight is. Tonight's just go, let loose. So tomorrow we will, we're gonna bring the camera. We'll shoot a little bit while we're in there. So yeah, so it's, you gotta have life fun, you know? So what better fun than watching a semi-pro, oh, it's professional. It's one step under the pros. It's better than that. Let's go watch some hockey. All right, we're gonna have to wrap this thing up pretty quick today. I'm already running way late. We did our run last night. We hit a little bit this morning, nothing too crazy. Garbage men beat us to it. That's the one downside on Thursdays is hopefully soon we'll have another trailer. So we can just leave one trailer, unplug, get on the other trailer, go do the morning stuff, see what we get. Anyway, let's do it. 10, 980, irony all light 70, clean aluminum 14, electric motors 28. That's that one pool pump. Insulated computers 1 pound. That was the Christmas lights. And brass unclean 2 pounds for a big total of 93.22. And we just sold the lawnmower on the side of the house. Literally while I was doing this video, we sold it for 175 bucks. So not a bad deal at all. Not a bad deal. So hopefully we can get that all shipped out here pretty quick. And that's day. That's you're getting this on a Friday, so that's pretty much a week. I don't know what the totals are. We loaded up for tomorrow, so that's all there too. So yeah, we'll come in tomorrow's episode. We'll bring you in a little bit of the game, that sort of thing, and then game. Then we'll bring this in the morning, and then we are off to my mom's house. I may actually shoot some footage over there. Here comes the guy who I'm going to the game with right now. So, all right, we're gonna cut it short today. Real quick one. Thank you. If you could get over to all of our social media, we are Junkman 5000 all the way across the board, except for Twitter, where we are the Junkman 5000. Thank you so much for hanging out, coming along. Remember, there is no us without you. Team lift is more than just physical. So if you are able to help somebody today, I greatly encourage you to do that. Thank you so much for riding along with us. We really appreciate it. Until tomorrow, have a blessed day, and we will see you then.